Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best folding electric bike in 2021. Folding bikes have long been the go-to choice of cyclists who often use alternative transport, such as city commuters, cycle tourists, or motorists who like to drive to their cycle spots. Electric bikes are now lighter, more attractive, and more powerful than ever. You don't need to be physically fit to ride one. It gets you outside, reduces fossil fuels, reduces congestion, and it's fun. We make this list based on our personal opinion and average research. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
The eVelo Quest Max. The Quest Max features eVelo Motion Drive, which combines the benefit of a mid-drive motor by the pedals and an internally geared hub in the rear wheel. These two components are tied together with the Gates Carbon Belt Drive system for the ultimate reliability. Folding the Quest Max is quick and easy. First, you fold the bicycle in half with the main latch. Then, you fold the handlebars down with the front latch. Remove the seat post and you're ready to load. When the bicycle is folded, you also have the ability to remove the battery if needed. On the handlebars, you'll find a fully featured LCD display panel along with a throttle on the left-hand side. The Quest Max offers 5 levels of adjustable pedal assistance along with throttle on demand at any time. The Quest Max has a sturdy feel and is a great choice for riders of any size. Folding bikes tend to get knocked around a bit when being transported, so the CVT hub and belt drive are invaluable since they won't get knocked out of adjustment. With extra heavy-duty spokes, meaty tires, and oversized disc brakes, the Quest Max is a great option for anyone looking for a capable mid-drive folder that can tackle any riding conditions, but remains portable for convenience. With the eVelo industry-leading 4-year 20,000-mile warranty and our 10-day trial period, getting an electric bicycle has never been easier or as worry-free as it is today. Take a look at the Quest Max page on evelo.com for a full list of specifications. And feel free to give us a call or send an email if you have any questions.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality.
We joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? With a smart screen, you can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and get you to your destination.
When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
This is the next generation of Cyrusher foldable electric bike. A powerful, smooth, and versatile beast of the road. Easy to assemble and adjust to fit you perfectly. Double mechanical disc brake system, secured and safe for braking. Three working modes. Easily switch and control between regular riding mode, pedestal assistant mode, and throttle modes. A durable aluminum alloy suspension frame. 3-spoke mountain bike rims that are great for all terrains, cruising on concrete, off-road on dirt roads, or even riding in sand or snow. Equipped with 6 different speed settings. It's fitted with aluminum alloy chain wheels for those tough terrains. Smart bike computers with a mirror, horn, front bike lights make it phenomenal for night riding. The built-in 48V 10AH large capacity battery is removable and super easy to charge. Foldable frame, handlebars, and pedals make it really easy to store in small places like a train, bus, or car trunk.
Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? Stream is back. It is yours. It's fast, it's lightweight, it's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.
Here today with our latest folding electric bicycle, the eVelo Dash. The Dash offers all the features and technology one would expect from eVelo electric bicycles. A compact mid-drive motor system is at the heart of this folding bike, offering a powerful 70 Newton meters of torque and 350 watts of power. This is more than enough power for a small, compact, and lightweight folding bike. Mid-drive motors are the most efficient e-bike systems available and allow for more gearing reduction, torque, and overall power at a given wattage rating. Folding bikes tend to get bounced around a little bit during transportation, so reliable components are key. The Dash includes oversized hydraulic disc brakes for smooth braking and ample stopping power, along with a handlebar-mounted throttle to get you moving before you start pedaling. You also get torque-sensing pedal assist, which gives the rider the smoothest feel and assistance possible. And the larger tires are great for a wide variety of terrain, but still maintain the look and feel of a traditional bicycle. Folding the Dash is easy. First, remove the saddle and C-post assembly, then raise the kickstand. Then you want to fold the whole bike in half. Finally, fold the handlebars down into their lowest position. You can then remove the battery to lighten your load a little bit when you want to lift it in and out of your vehicle for transportation. Belt drive systems are the latest in bicycle technology and provide smooth and quiet operation, all while needing no adjustment or lubrication. The Gates CDX belt drive system delivers the power from the mid-drive motor to the rear wheel, where it meets a simple and reliable Shimano 3-speed hub. This drivetrain package is absolutely maintenance-free and requires no adjustments, lubrication, or maintenance of any kind. The Dash is covered under eVelo's leading 4-year, 20,000-mile warranty and comes ready to ride right out of the box. It's a great option for anyone looking for a compact and convenient electric bicycle.